Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor menta kasngi. U Deputy Commissioner ulakhot ikipat ba ka East Khasi Hills bat ki sengsan partai bakin ya trelang bat ki board district hakaban penne pensa ya ka syongsuk syongsan haka sngi nyawot kata ka saw tarik ujaliw ar hajar pusaw haka jing kendo bat udisi nakalyang ki kli nong sansar snong kabri yuh nyutrap kilapan pau bakim sngaw ya hap an pentrekam salansar ya ka kendon si spa sa pusaw CRPC habarok away ka district jong ka East Khasi Hills haka jing lang hapdeng u Deputy Commissioner bat ki sengsan partai bat ka senjuk ki rang ba snong o Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills hni ka singi thoding ulapan jensurno ya ka hukum ba penjari ya ka kendon si spa sa pusaw CRPC da ka pen kala ya ka kendon basan jong ka CRPC ban khang man penlong ya ka rally jing job lani ka victory rally ha ka singi nyawot jong ka election lok sabha la saw tarik ujalew ar hajar pusaw uni ukledo jong ka district ulapan tep ba la batharu ya ka sengsan partai bakin ai da ka jingtho ban pentep ya ka surok bakimut ban yat pajba bat ha ka ju kapur ban penti kenaru bakim dai ban penmi ya kanu ka huri hura ka ban penthot ya ka syongsuk syongsan habakran sha kinong tho khubor hadin ka jingyalang u MLA ka VPP na maulai u ba Bright Starwer malbanyang ulapan tep ba ha ka jingyalang u Deputy Commissioner ulapan bena ba ya ka kendon sispa sa husaw CRPC ensa penjarino tang hajaka nyewot kata hapulo bat ki jaka pemarjan omsyu ha barok kawai ka district u ba Bright Starwell uong ba kalalong ka aka ke basung tenat ba audisi ula syem ya karai ba ka jing pentrekam ya ka kendon sispa sa husaw CRPC kandai tang ha ka jaka nyewot bat ki jaka pemarjan kumjuru unong yalam ke NPP u Dr. Don War ula pentep bajan baro ki sengsan partai kenthop kinang mikmat ya ki kertong shimet kelapan sengau ha audisi u badai URO bakami hap an penjari ya ki kendon sispa sa pusaw CRPC ha baro kawai ke district ha kani ka sngi baro ki sengsan partai kenthop ka National People's Party NPP ka Voice of the People Party VPP ka United Democratic Party UDP ka Congress bat ki kertong shimet kilawan banasya menta ha kajing yalang
ba nakaliang jong DC ha kani ka namutan simangi inang yung itu bat DC ha banyak keren yang kabidi ka mat ka panglawan ya kerenteng nakaliang jong party yang isukmen ba UDC ba syem ya karai bat ka baong ba katuta section 144 ba impose kan debit tang hapo ka jaka counting within the premises of the Union Counting Center kanum dei saba tani bro ko ka district katari ko way bat kabaar pan ki UDC ulah pediang ya kai ka bangi nadu kasi panikong laong bangyan nomla ban pediang ni ka point number 5 hapo jong to order ka bamsya ban yami paiba bamsya ban nya rally ya paiba ya nakaliang ka jong ngai scam hai ki na bay mandi ang song on sa penbra paiba e katahi nakaliang ka jungi so ban pau ka ikabami na kanika meeting yo nginak siap ni kundu batu DC ka kadi ka sing lam nong kadi jing job mo gedung paiba job ba ko majulong hi kadi ka democracy kadi ka por ka bangi celebrate ka democracy ba kini gedung ba job ilang ko bakin mi ban lekmen ya ki ketong ka baki pi kersan katahi na kalian kini ndai kawai ka jingkarpat na kalian kini kong ke party tolong ba mo ya ki paiba aba kini kemudian long ki ba jai indum penongkam ya kanu mo kaban long ka thut ya ka songsuk songsngan bagi scam ba ni long ki ko majulong mo ki paiba ko na kor katahi ka request na kalian kong ikong ka party
dapat daw long di sini pada kami mau open up yang ini open changi house nya kan long da edi kan ke nagilang di parties kita various issues pang to ka imposition of section 14 ba kita ni long ba tandakan jumu to hot ni ong ba nakalang ga DC long impose support area accounting fine dari ban impose ya tahu ka ini hatumut kinalang doi ka parties NDP ru na may perhati ka ni pag na paway man yahi ang support ya ka review book mo itu kalau jengah meeting kepala long meeting of DC di daerah lang ko ini di book yang right paling lum dan suhu ka sesuatu itu mereka saja ka counting ka di kandan tadi ya kan min pati kam beri ka section nam tang agent info lah counting agent mereka ada kan tadi kan main kin yang DCU istirahat kalau nenek nunggu pol parti su pemilihan kerja ya film nang ba kege ba kinum mo nya baik yang di susu sain mundur penuh ba la kubit nang kai ka ya ta ba di sang gitu ngiru hi kami haba kan kagi kena school ini pun yo bile 4 semester 6 semester jinja kami kemarin ka ba la kunjat suruh kunjat king di hulung di semester banyak ba kan jinnya rak nya cacat ya maktan di kelas 11 di first year ko bakin nang room kasi kelas makin haba exuet ka bakala exam ko kita bisi ko fees college ki chu shit banta ba kelas dekat ai ka jing suk di sang yan mun mun mo ba job je lekan sebru bom job je ni ni ta tu de bos jadi ka jing kwa jong ga plus yang bisi ko ba di kanigis kina ai pagut ko job job na ikinya ba kila penting ke tanggul ni kita tepat appeal dengan hal itu ya baru ini atau I agree with one betul ini teman dari urusan global masuk di saya kemudian bagi jadi tang jadi contoh masuk saya action segera part di balang ya di premium report yang baru menyebut jindoi nam tak ada kasih tang pakai itu betul yang masuk saya action dengar dulu dia Pustani benar step nak situ akibat senang aduai dengan ini mau play itu pak jadi sekarang tunggu banget ni toh yang pun siap itu pak jadi ini tak pun dulu nak away jadi tiền mah cuman berapa dia melangjung ni BBP UDP Kongres independen dulu cuman di UDP lah bolas berapa ni
Coming back to the polling preparations, can you tell us in view of the withdrawal so what are the additional security measures?
So additional security measures, in fact, in the entire Polo area, as you know that it is as per the protocol that law and order has to be maintained. The deployment of CAPF, state police forces will be there to ensure that counting is done peacefully. At the very same time, so as I said, as we had a discussion with the political parties, so we have taken enough measures to ensure that these victory processions should not turn out to be should not lead to any of the untoward incidents. So that kind of measures we have taken by in fact closely working with all stakeholders, including the political parties and traditional institutions and other stakeholders, so that we will ensure that no untoward incident mars our entire election process.
Any undertaking by the parties that when they happen, they will be responsible?
Yes, in fact they should. In fact, this is a collective responsibility. As I said, this is a collective responsibility. But we have an assurance from their side that they will take all measures to ensure that their rallies will be peaceful.
Thank you so much.
This also is being expressed by different stakeholders. So we have taken decision, in fact, that orders will issue on Monday, but we have taken decision to relax that particular part of 144 order, point number 5, so that they have that part can be relaxed. So at the same time, we have appealed to the political parties to cooperate with the district administration, and when they organize any victory portions, to give it in writing in terms of the route that they will take up, and to take measures from their side in terms of deploying volunteers from their side, and taking all measures to ensure that no untoward incident happens during these portions and victory rallies. So at the same time, so what I would like to affirm is that this after consulting with all the stakeholders, we have taken this decision. But at the same time, we would like to appeal to all people and all people of the district and political parties is to ensure that they have to support the district administration and cooperate with the district administration in terms of maintenance of the law and order. And if there is any violation in terms of creating any law and order situations or violence, that will be dealt accordingly. Otherwise, that particular point will be lax.
But can you tell us that 144 section will be only involved in polling counting area,
In counting area, only in the poll, that counting area,
so not outside?
not outside. So now that, as I said, that point number 5, which applies to entire East Kasaragod district, will be revoked, and all other points will be